Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi LED TV 4A, and today I'll show you how to check the TV specifications. So to get started, let's go into the settings by tapping up, and from there navigate down to device preferences, and from there tap on about and scroll down to the build and model and status, where you'll find all the information that you can find about this device. So that is how you would check the TV specifications. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell icon, and thanks for watching.